The Plumbing Professor is a close-knit team of plumbing professionals based in NSW, Sydney. No plumbing work is too small or too big for us. We're ready to help you with any project. Plumbing system for a new house? Bathroom renovation? We're here for you. Our experienced plumbers can help you in an emergency. Just call our 24/7 hotline. Leave the clogged drain to professionals and take some rest. We'll take care of the rest. Setting up complex drainage projects in your house has never been easier with the Plumbing Professor. Our experienced, licensed specialists can accomplish any plumbing work, including boiler and heating system installation. We guarantee the top quality of our work, making customers our #1 priority for 30 years. We offer drainage plumbing, heating systems and boiler installation, and other works at affordable rates. Get in touch with us, and let's fix your plumbing problem, no matter how complex it is.